Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the fuel pump in an Infiniti G35 Coupe. First, ensure your workspace is safe and well ventilated. Gather all necessary tools, including a new fuel pump, a fuel line disconnect tool, and a socket set. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent electrical hazards. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure to avoid fuel spray when disconnecting lines. This is a crucial safety step before proceeding. Once you have accessed the fuel pump, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors. These can be delicate, so take your time. Next, use a fuel line disconnect tool to safely detach the fuel lines from the pump. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to spill. Then, unscrew the large retaining ring that holds the pump assembly in place. Finally, gently lift the old fuel pump assembly straight out of the fuel tank, being careful not to bend the float arm. Now it's time to install your new fuel pump. First, ensure the new pump comes with a fresh rubber gasket. This is vital for a proper seal. Carefully insert the new pump assembly into the tank, making sure it aligns correctly with the bottom and the fuel level sender operates freely. Hand tighten the retaining ring, then use the specialized tool to secure it firmly. Finally, reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, ensuring they click into place securely. With the new pump installed, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position for a few seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this 2 or 3 times to prime the fuel system and build pressure. Then, start the engine and carefully inspect around the fuel pump area for any signs of fuel leaks. Listen for the new pump operating smoothly. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.